Hello, everyone. This is Rhonda of virtueworksforyou.com, helping stay-at-home moms and women entrepreneurs grow businesses online via content marketing and attraction marketing on hectic schedules with ease. And this is part 2 of what are content upgrades and how to use them in your business. So in part 1, I explained content upgrades as a specific piece of bonus content which matches a specific topic of a blog, article, or video niche specific content and is offered to help users solve a problem. Content upgrades should be relevant, useful, and actionable. Okay, and so your content upgrades should be relevant to your niche. It should be useful to your audience, solves a problem that your audience wants to resolve, okay? And it should be actionable. It should have action steps that your audience can take and apply it in their life or business. Now, content upgrades are mostly used in business as a way to build your email list. So if you have an email list, you will have to have a content upgrade in order to build your email list. For example, if you all have been following my channel for a while, I've been offering different types of content that solves a problem, is relevant to my industry, it is useful, and it is actionable. And what you do is you have that opt-in pages, some people call them lead pages, where the user fill in their information, their name and their email address, or just their email address. Then they are taken to another page where they can get access, and they have to give their information in order to get access to that content upgrade. And their information automatically goes on your email list. And, there you have them on your email list. So, you can keep them updated about what's going on inside your business. Okay? And so you have to have a email marketing platform and an autoresponder to build your email list and your content upgrade. Now, content upgrades come in the form of how-to tutorials and guides, workbooks, worksheets, checklists, resource libraries, just to name a few. And only the people that opt in to your opt-in page, only they get access to this content upgrade, okay? And so I'm going to have a link to aweber.com. That's the email marketing company and autoresponder that I use, so that you can get started with your email marketing if you haven't. And I have a special where I am offering you a free 30-minute discovery and strategy session in which we talk about I will help you upgrade your content strategy. 2020 is around the corner. You will need a solid and a consistent weekly content strategy if you don't have one already. And I will help you create a content upgrade to help you build your email list. And okay. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about what's in that package, because this package that I'm offering you, where the 30-minute strategy and discovery session is about, and I'm offering the content upgrade as a bonus. And this is my content marketing consulting support package. So I will help you identify your ideal client and or customer, create an elevator pitch, create a simple weekly, monthly content creation marketing strategy without all the busy work. I will help you create a custom mind map to help you organize your content strategy, information, ideas, help you generate 10 click-worthy headlines and topics for your content, help you how to conduct simple and quick information and keyword research, and help you create 3 simple content outlines, and create 3 simple and appealing social media graphics from professional templates. And I will also give you some tips on how to balance content creation, marketing, and time management. So if you want any help with upgrading your content strategy for 2020, and with the bonus content upgrade, hit me up. I'm going to put the link in the description and the comment section. I'm going to pin that at the top of the comment section. Okay. And also grab your account so you can get started. I'm put a link in which you can get sign up to Aweber, so that you can get started with email marketing. Okay, so that's it. I wanted to elaborate a little further on what is a content upgrade and how to use it in your business. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell symbol for alerts. I will also put a link to part 1, okay, so that you can listen to everything, okay, about this topic, because I did a video on this before, but I left this detail out about email marketing. So I will put that in the description below. Thanks for watching.